Hi friends, this is Deborah, and I just have a quick pop-up video for you today using Dollar Tree items to create something that's super cute. It's fast, easy, and no sewing needed. And you know, at first I thought, no, don't do this video because it's not anything spectacular. But then I thought, well, yes, do it, because there must be someone out there who would be interested in this because it's so easy and inexpensive, and they're just cute. So let's get started. So a couple of weeks ago, I found these cute carrot bags in a package of 2 for just $1.25, of course, at the Dollar Tree, and thought, I know exactly what I want to do with these, which was to make them to hang on a hook or a peg with just a little embellishment to go out on my front porch for Easter. I made mine relatively simple in design, but you could go as elaborate as your imagination takes you by adding other bits and bobs to embellish them. So here's a list of what I used to make mine. First, you'll need a hot glue gun, and then I used 2 small buttons, a scrap of fabric, which I used a piece of drop cloth for the front of each bag, plus I made a hanger out of the drop cloth to connect the 2 carrots, but you could also use ribbon to do the same thing. And I used 2 tiny wooden bunnies, from Dollar Tree, and they came in a package of 16, I believe, and then a small amount of fiber fill to stuff them with, or you could even stuff them with plastic grocery bags. Here's a look at mine. They're very simple, as I said, and so easy to do. First, I cut a small square of fabric with my pinking shears, then hot glued one to each of the carrots, and then I hot glued a bunny on top of the fabric. After that, I stuffed the carrots with a little fiber fill. Then I tied them closed at the top with the green ties that they come with. And then I hot glued a tiny button on the ribbon bow tie at the top. And finally, I cut a piece of drop cloth to the length I wanted and hot glued each end inside the top of the carrots where you can't even see it. Easy and done. This allows you to hang them wherever you'd like. Wouldn't these be cute to hang on your children's or your grandchildren's bedroom doors for Easter decor? And then for Easter morning, you simply remove the stuffing and place in some Easter goodies for them to wake up to. All right, my dear friends, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you all a very nice and peaceful weekend. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.